University of Law's career service has been outstanding. It offers several different opportunities in there. So much, for example, the interviews that they do, the short and long interviews, which are fantastic. The CV processing, where they go through your CV and they help you address a number of mistakes perhaps that you've included. That has also been fantastic for me.
Before university, I hadn't been as successful with my training contract applications. However, when I came to University of Law, I took full advantage of the employability service here. I arranged a one-on-one meeting with a careers consultant who went over with me a few training contract applications that I had worked on. She managed to point out to me where my weaknesses lay in developing the skills required to be a lawyer and also how I should word them appropriately. My training contract applications were as a result much stronger, and I now actually have a training contract back home in Jersey.
I've used the career service during my course study this year. Particularly, I was invited for an interview for a job, and so I booked an appointment with the career service for a mock interview. When I went for my mock interview, I also took a copy of an application form that I'd done and my CV, and they were able to talk that over with me. I found it really useful to have an impartial look at my applications. Given that it's a very competitive profession, you always worry that you're being rejected because your application's not good enough, so it was nice for somebody to have a look over it. And the career service were particularly helpful in giving me some feedback on my interview style, and that made me a bit more relaxed for taking part in an interview.
The career service at the University of Law is second to none. They've got all the time in the world for each and every student, and even when they're about to go home, if you catch them at the door and you've got a question, they'll answer it. It's amazing. They've helped me write my CV, helped me write my covering letter, helped me meet new people, they've made me make connections, they've helped me network, and I feel a lot more prepared now than I did when I got here.
Their door is always open. It's very, very friendly. Sometimes you think that if you're going to pass on your CV to somebody to check, and you don't want to be criticised too much, but these guys are very friendly, very professional, and they know exactly what they're doing.
Prior to starting at the university in September, I had the opportunity to attend a careers workshop during the summer where the careers service provided several workshops over a couple of days talking about applying for training contracts and how to approach law firms, different exercises you might do in assessment days, interview questions. It was another good opportunity to see what was available at the university, meet the careers service and sort of get a head start for the year. The careers service have been very useful since the start of the course, put on a lot of events, workshops, talks from legal practitioners who come in and sort of tell you about days in the life of a law firm. There's the opportunity to speak to people about interview questions, application forms, assessment days. Any help you need really, they're there for you.